In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Loom desktop app not working. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve common issues that might be preventing Loom from functioning properly. Let's dive right into the first step. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus S to open Task Manager. This combination of keys activates the Task Manager quickly, allowing you to see all the applications currently running on your computer. When the Task Manager opens, you'll notice a list of processes and applications. This is important because sometimes Loom may be running in the background, causing it to freeze or malfunction. By accessing this tool, you can take control of those processes. Once the Task Manager is open, you are prepared to take the next steps. Next, find Loom in the list of applications. You will need to scroll through the list, which presents all active programs and processes on your system. This step is crucial because identifying Loom is necessary to troubleshoot its performance issues. Look for the Loom icon or the name Loom in the list. If you see it, you are one step closer to resolving the issue. Keep your eyes peeled, as it might not always be at the top of the list. Now, right-click it and select End Task. This action will force Loom to close if it is currently running. Ending the task is vital because it clears any temporary glitches or freezes that might be occurring. It's a straightforward way to reset the application without needing to restart your computer. Once you select End Task, you should notice that Loom disappears from the Task Manager list, confirming that it has been closed. After that, relaunch Loom to see if it responds normally. This step is essential as it gives the application a fresh start. Sometimes simply restarting the app can resolve many issues. When you open Loom again, pay attention to how quickly it launches and whether it functions as expected. If it opens without any problems, great. You have successfully completed a key troubleshooting step. At this point, you may want to locate the microphone and ensure it's toggled on. If it is not, swipe it to the left to enable it. This is particularly important if you plan to record audio or video using Loom. The microphone settings can sometimes interfere with the app's functionality. Ensuring that your microphone is active will improve your overall experience with Loom. With the microphone enabled, you're ready to proceed. Next, press Win+R, type %appdata% and hit Enter. This command opens the App Data folder, which contains application settings and data for many programs, including Loom. Finding the Loom folder within this directory is essential because it may contain corrupted files that could be causing the app to malfunction. Deleting this folder can help reset the application to its original state. Once you have accessed the app data, you're ready for the next step. Find the Loom folder and delete it. This action is significant because it clears away any corrupted local cache that could be causing issues with Loom. By removing the folder, you allow the application to create a fresh cache the next time it launches. This ensures that you are working with up-to-date files and settings. After deleting the folder, you are almost finished with the troubleshooting process. Finally, relaunch Loom and log back into your account. This step allows you to start fresh with a clean slate. After logging back in, check if Loom is working correctly. You should see an improvement in performance. If all goes well, you will be back to recording and sharing your videos without any issues. Rest assured, these steps often resolve common problems with the Loom desktop app.